Hi naturals, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm back with another interesting video. My name is Dima Okike. Please click on the subscription button if you're new, and also on the notification bell button so you'll be notified on our future uploads. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment in the comment section any way you do not understand. So in today's video, I'm basically going to be sharing with you a herbal tea that you can use to thicken your hair, detangle your hair. This spray is amazing and powerful. Another thing I love about this spray is that it makes natural hair soft. So for those of you that wants to soften your natural hair, please do not miss this. My very first ingredient is ambono. This Ayurveda contains saponin, which gives it the ability to cleanse, and it is an effective antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and an emollient. Ambono makes your hair softer, has beautiful sheen to it, stronger hair, thicker hair. It also prevents dry scalp and lessen hair loss. For the proportion, I made use of 1 tablespoon of the ambono leaves. Please note that these are the fresh version of this ambono. This ambono has been making rounds on the internet, and I'm very sure is not new to you. So my second ingredient for today's recipe is rosemary leaves. These are the dried version. For those of you in the diaspora, I'm sure you can get the fresh leaves over there. Please, you can use the fresh leaves if that's what you've got. No problem. Rosemary has been used by many to promote hair growth successfully. Using rosemary could very well do a great job for you. Science and personal experience together both strongly suggest the herbs thus protect against hair loss, particularly that related to male and female pattern baldness. Rosemary stimulates healthy thick hair. This herb can speed up the process of cell turnover and growth, which can work as a natural remedy to grow thicker hair. The proportion, I measured out 1 tablespoon of the rosemary leaves into my pan. I call it pan because that's basically what it is. Feel free to use any apparatus you have around you, provided it's not plastic. Moving on to my third ingredient, we made use of star anise. So I've been raving about star anise for long now. So one thing I love about this herb or Ayurveda is that it helps thicken hair. From my personal experience, this herb thickens hair. So we are going to be making use of that in 1 tablespoon. If you want your own spray to be gooey enough to further help with detangling and all that good stuff, please add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ambono instead of 1 tablespoon. Moving on, my fourth ingredient, I think I've lost count. My fourth ingredient is cloves. So we made use of cloves for this recipe, and you guys already know the benefits of using cloves in your hair. Like I earlier stated in some of my videos, I'm not going to be boring you with that in this video. So for the proportion, I measured out 1 tablespoon of cloves buds. If you have the powder, feel free to use that. All these ingredients used in this video can be bought on Amazon website, and they ship worldwide. So for my fifth ingredient, I made use of hibiscus. I love hibiscus because it helps with moisture and also it darkens hair. Sometimes most of you ask me why my hair is so dark. That's the work of hibiscus. Since I discovered that, I kept on using it and adding it in most of my recipes. So moving on, I added about 50 cl worth of hot water in it. Boil your water to 100 degrees Celsius. Water you have in your home from your tap, just boil it up to 100 degrees Celsius and then pour it into these ingredients. So moving on, I stir to combine all the ingredients. Moving on again, I covered with foil paper. This pan, like I call it, comes with a plastic lid, but I won't be using that because that would interfere with my hairspray. So I went ahead and used foil paper to cover this. So you are to brew this for 8 to 12 hours for this recipe I brewed for 12 whole hours. I love to brew that long. That's because these ingredients used in this video are dry ingredients, and they will take time to release all their benefits in the hot water. So hence the reason why I brewed and infused for 12 whole hours. And after 12 hours, here is what we have. I'll go ahead and uncover the foil paper which I used over the pan, and then I will proceed to sieving. We are going to be sieving to get our filtrate, which is our hair tonic or hairspray. So for the sieving process, I made use of a strainer and a bowl to collect my filtrate. If you look closely in the video, you see that this spray has amazing sleep. Can you see that? So go ahead and make yours, and you'll be glad you did. You'll come back to say thank you. This spray is amazing. You will love it, I promise you. So moving on, I will go ahead and transfer into my spray bottle. But before then, I added some goodness to it, which is amazing hair oil, jojoba oil, and vitamin E oil. So I added the oils in few drops each, basically 5 drops each if I'm not mistaken. So but do not overdo that so that you don't flood it with oil. So few drops, 3 to 5 drops is perfect. So moving on, the next oil that I added to this is my essential oil in lavender essential oil. So I did about 5 drops of that. Then I went ahead and stirred to combine all the ingredients. So after stirring, I transferred my spray into my spray bottle with the help of my funnel. Please, if you can't reach this spray bottle, go ahead and use your body spray bottles, wash them thoroughly, sterilize, and then use it for your DIY hairsprays. Now I'm going to be demonstrating for you all how I use this spray. Basically, most of my spray, I love to use it either as a tea rinse or as a leave-in spray. So I try to balance the ingredients so that they can help my hair. Like I always tell you, that moisture and protein helps your hair to thrive. So whether you're using herbs or you're using products, make sure they are moisture protein balanced. When they are moisture protein balanced, your hair is getting everything at the same time. So nothing is lacking. You're not lacking moisture and you're not lacking protein. So I skipped my leave-in conditioner because I always advise you to apply your leave-in conditioner following your hairspray, then see with either hair butter cream or hair growth oil. But in this case, this spray is serving as a spray and also a leave-in conditioner because of the gooey nature. Is moisturizing basically. This, if your hair is shedding, use this tea. If your hair is breaking, use this tea. If your hair is stunted at same hair length, use this tea. If your hair is bald, basically apply this on those bald patches, massage it, do it 2 to 3 times weekly, and it will come up. Thank you so much for watching this video. That brings me to the end of today's video. Please, if you have more questions for me, kindly drop it in the comment section below and I will definitely reply. Give this video a thumbs up, say hi in the comment section if you watched up to this point, share with your family and friends, and I will see you in my next one shortly.